all of us has been working from home during the COVID pandemic. And for myself, because I've been ordering a lot of takeaway food, my skin start to have a lot of issues. I start to develop a lot of acne popping out on my skin here and there. So today I'm going to share with you one amazing product, which is the Atomy AC Expert System. The AC Expert System is actually made up of 4 products altogether. So it is our A to Z solution for our acne-prone skin. It is a one-stop care. So it helps our pores cleansing, sebum care, pH control, and it also helps to soothe and moisturize, and it can control our oil and water balance. So this is the one-stop care for our acne-prone skin. So let us look at what is the AC Expert System is made up of. First of all, we have our foam cleanser, we have our toner, and we have our spot solutions, and also our AC serum on that. So it's 4 steps to target our problem skins. The first product I'm going to talk about in the AC system is our foam cleanser. So basically that it is a mild cleansing foam, which is a gentle foam texture to clear our skin. Secondly, it has 1.8% salicylic acid in it. So it is formulated for our acne-prone skin to improve the appearance and of the blemishes of the pores. And thirdly, it is a deep clean for oily skin. So normally acne is the result of oily skin. So it is gently cleanse away and remove dirt and oil and excess oil from our skin layers. So this is our AC foam cleanser. Okay, the next one on the item is the toner. So the first step to clean and have a clear skin is with our pink powder toner. So a lot of people asking, okay, why do we mention that it is a powder toner? It contains calamine powder in the product. So when we first obtain the product, we make sure that we shake the products well before using it. It has an intense pore care system with the smart serum control system in it. So it's controlling the oil in the skin, and it makes our pore better, and it has our skin cleaner as well at the same time. So it is also anti-trouble smart solution toner. Contain calamine to help relieve the problem of skin that's caused by the excess sebum. Okay, the next one, the third bottle is the spot solution. The spot solution is a quick and direct way to treat the appearance of trouble spots. So if we do have a lot of problem area on our whole face, we can actually use it on our whole face. But normally, if we just have like a few problem areas, we can just put it on the spot that needs assistance on it. So the spot solution itself is comprised of 80% of natural components with mushroom extract, citric essential oils, a natural scent, natural color, and fresh herbs in it. So it helps us to get rid of all these problem area very, very quickly. So the last one on the list is our serum. The AC serum, so it has 4 amazing properties. The first property is good for soothing and repairs of our skin. Normally after our skin is being affected by all our acne, we have a lot of scarrings and the skin is not as good. So the serum itself will help to repair our skin. So it helps to smooth and repair the skin of all the blemishes that it has. And secondly, it maintains the skin moisture balance. So a lot of people will thought that after using an acne treatment process, the skin will become very dry. So, but with the AC Expert System itself, with the AC serum, it will help to maintain the skin moisture. It's just like adding a second layer of skin and like lock in the moisture in our skin. And thirdly, it stimulates the collagen synthesize. So a lot of people are wondering, oh wow, it's amazing, collagen, which is essential for a healthy, elastic skin. So with the serum itself, it stimulates the collagen synthesize. So which is very good to help to make our skin look young. And finally, it helps our face to look more renewal. So because it gives us the skin that feels soft and also moisture and with a light feel, and also one most important thing is non-greasy. A lot of people think that, oh, using all these things on my face will it make my skin more greasy and then I will have more acne? But the serum will not give us any greasy feeling at all. So these are the 4 easy steps to get our acne-prone skin, like say goodbye to them. So this is how I start to get rid of all my acne problem, which is the Acne Expert System.
Hello again, beautiful people. I'm Phoenix, a consumer turned prosumer. Welcome to my channel where we share about the perks of being a prosumer. And today it's all about acne care. Introducing Atomy Acne Clear Expert System. Whiteheads, blackheads, papules, comedone, pustules, all of these are different types of acne. There are 3 things that causes acne: dead skin cells, excessive oil, and the P. acnes bacteria. What's so special about Atomy Acne Clear Expert System is that it solves your acne problem from the root. The prosumer would love this very much when I tell them, because the entire line of the products are being clinically tested and they have passed the non-comedogenic test. The secret lies in the 3 patented raw materials that the Acne Clear Expert System uses. The first one being the Potentilla Extract AC, which prevents the activities of the P. acnes bacteria. The second one being the AC Solution 10. Why 10? Because there are 10 types of mixed botanical ingredients that helps people with sensitive and dry skin, and the third one being the calming water complex. Instead of using the purified water, it contains 3 types of naturally derived ingredients from dandelion, calendula, and lotus extract. Just hearing the names, you know that it's calming, soothing, and moisturizing to the skin. How do we use this Acne Clear Expert System? We begin by using its foam cleanser. You just need to pump it out and you'll find that it's a dense and tangy kind of foam, and you can start cleansing away. What's so special about this foam cleanser is that it contains 1.8% of salicylic acid. In case you don't know, salicylic acid is one of acne's biggest enemies. It's oil soluble and it can penetrate deep into the pore and start dissolving the blackheads and the debris, and it helps to unclog the pores while cleansing them. And after cleansing it, you can rinse it off with water and you'll find that your skin doesn't feel dry or taut. After cleansing, we will be using toner. This is a powder toner, which is a mixture of liquid and powder. And before we use it, we will need to shake it so that the ingredients will blend well. And this is especially useful for people with oily skin to stay hydrated, because it decreases oil and increases moisture. Decreased oil because the powder part of it would absorb excessive oil, while the liquid part of it would provide moisture to the skin. Prosumer tip number 1, do double toning. Please use Atomy mild cotton in this step, because Atomy mild cotton doesn't contain harmful chemicals that would irritate our skin further. For the first round of toning, we will need to shake our toner and put a few drops onto the cotton pad and wipe away the excess dirt. And the second round of toning, we would apply a few drops of toner onto our palm and apply them onto our face. Next, we will be using the spot solution. We'll put a few drops onto the back of our hands and start using cotton bud and apply them onto spot areas only, meaning areas with acne only, and don't apply it onto the entire face, please. Prosumer tip number 2, mixed spot solution with toner. Just in case if you experience stinging when you apply spot solution by itself, you can mix it with toner before applying it. The final step to clear skin would be the use of serum. This serum is designed to soothe and repair our skin. It's just like a second skin where it prevents moisture from escaping while restoring our oil and water balance. By having oligopeptide, it stimulates collagen synthesis as well. Prosumer tip number 3, mix serum with spot solution. We can put a drop of spot solution and mix it with serum before using it for maximum benefit.